Well friends, here is the problem number 66. Before going to the problem, I will read the direction. The direction is, in questions given, part of the figure is missing. Identify the missing part from among the given choices under each question. So here they have given one figure and that figure is missing with one part, and that has to be found. In each question they have given 4 options and we have to select one of the correct option. To solve such type of problems, careful observation is needed. If you observe the given figure carefully, definitely going to get right answer at right time. Now, if you observe this, you are going to get idea, that is, this figure is formed by 3 circles. That means this portion needed 3 curves, and the 3 curves should be like this. And if you observe carefully, the inside circle, if you see this, inside circle has got diagonal. Okay, this is the diagonal drawn for the inside circle. And there is one more radius which is going to become a diagonal if you complete this figure. So this will appear like this. The missing figure will appear like this, and this has to be observed in the given options. In the first option, I am having only 2 curves which complete only 2 circles. But in the given figure, I am having 3 circles. So first option is wrong. Now moving to next option. In the next option also, or in the second option also, I am having only 2 curves. This is my first curve. This is my second curve, which are going to complete only 2 circles. So option 2 is also wrong. Now moving to third option. In the third option, I am having all the 3 curves. 1, 2, 3. This may be my right option. Next, if you move to fourth option, in the fourth option, yes, of course, I am having all the 3 curves which can complete the 3 circles. But if you see the fourth option, this line is touching to second circle. Okay, this line is touching to second curve or the second circle. But this should not touch second circle, just it has to touch first circle or first curve. It can be observed clearly in third option. In the third option, this line is just touching to the first curve which completes first circle. That means option 3 is the right option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.